Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Back with another video as you guys know. Today we are going to be talking about tips and tricks on YouTube you didn't know about. So there are some things I went on research on YouTube, some digging on certain so that I can be able to make this video possible for you guys to enjoy and for you guys to learn from. So number one is swiping up to enlarging the screen. As you can see, I was watching a video now. All I have to do is to swipe up and automatically it gives me this full screen display. I know there's a particular icon for that, but it's quite difficult to reach. It's right at this corner. You can mistakenly trigger this bar which is around here. So the easiest way to do that, or the easiest way to make that accomplished, like to enlarging your screen, is just to swipe up, and also you can swipe down to make it small. Let's say you were watching something, just swipe down. I know most of you might not know, or some of you might know, that once you're watching a movie, let's reduce this. Once you're watching a movie, all you have to do is to double tap at this side to skip to the next section. So if you're finding problem using this bar, like finding the correct location or where you want to do it, this at this side you can double tap it will skip it 10 seconds. It might be that is just all you need to skip. And let's say maybe you were, I don't know, maybe let's say you were somewhere and you really need to like skip, and all you have to do is, like, maybe your hand was full, all you have to do is just to double tap and it skips 10 seconds, and continuously if you're double tapping that place, it keeps on fast forwarding it or rewinding it depending on the angle you press. So if you press the right, it moves forward. If you press the left, it rewinds backward. So that is another feature you might not know about. Also, we have two configuration of the time there. So you might not like the way it's counting the time for you. Let's say that you are watching and it starts with 000 and you are 3 minutes. Let's say you are 3 minutes 24 seconds in your video that you're watching. All you have to do, if you don't want to see that, maybe you want to see the remaining time left for you to watch the video, you just click on that and it will show you the amount of time that is remaining. So it's remaining 9 minutes 26 seconds for me to finish this video I'm probably watching now. So that is another good another good feature you might not know about, which is on YouTube, which I really like and I usually take use of. So let's say you were watching this video and you mistakenly close it and you didn't know the next thing of action. Maybe you're watching this video and you closed it, you can still get it back. All you have to do is to go to libraries. You will see it right there at this corner. And if it's like you watched the video a week ago and you don't know what video it is, maybe you didn't save it to watch later, all you have to do is to press the history and it will show you all things you have been watching for the past some days or some months, and it will be listed out the time you stopped. And the super cool thing is that it will actually start from where you actually stopped, and if you have a good run too, that will also help. So if you forget to like add it to your playlist or watch later list, you can also do that. And also, you might not know this trick, but this trick is really useful. So if you are missing videos from SD and you have not been watching, all you have to do is to just turn on that post notification. It shows that 98.1 people that watch my video don't subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you, just subscribe to this channel. Another tips and tricks you might not know about is on the settings. So let's say you have a little boy with you, maybe he's watching, he's always taking your phone. Maybe you don't have a boy and you have not bought your children phone and they use your phone to do this. All you have to do, if you don't want them to watch matured content, is to turn on restricted mode. So this restricted mode will automatically hide potential matured videos from your children to watch. So it should bring out something that is accommodating and something that is reasonable and responsible for a little child to actually watch. So it will not be able to see all things that is not supposed to see. So that is another good feature which you can turn on maybe when you are giving your child your phone. Another feature on YouTube which I also use is remind me when it's bedtime. So actually when I want to, like, when it's around 11, let's say in the night when it's around 11 and I was about sleeping or I'm going to bed or something, all I have to do is to tell the thing to remind me. It's helpful for all those that get stuck on YouTube, like get too clumsy. I will not say clumsy, too too addicted to YouTube. So instead of you to sleep, you're still watching YouTube. You can set this thing to remind you that you need to sleep, and you can set the start time and the end time for you to do that. And it's easier, it's really good. It will just tell you to go and sleep, and it will keep disturbing you until you go and sleep, or you turn that feature off. Also, you can also tell it to tell you a break, like you should break or stuff like that. And the double tap feature, which is to the left or to the right, is customizable, so you can say 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 20, 30 or 60 seconds, as much as you want. So mine is set as 10 as default. So you can also change your location if you want to watch something in a particular country and it's restricted. So all you have to do is to turn on that feature, and you're good to go. Another one is that you can watch content from your TV, from your phone to your TV, like you can cast it. All you have to do is to like press on watch TV. I don't know why it's not working on this phone now. I will have showed you right clear direct that it can, but I don't know why it's not actually good. So on this phone I'm using to record, that does that. Once I say watch on TV, it shows this TV that is a smart TV, and I will be able to stream. I will record that separately, maybe for you guys to see. So it's another good feature for you. Maybe you want to enlarge your screen, you want to make the content you're watching much bigger, much wider. Also, this is not really a feature, but if you like want to see time watched, how long you spend on YouTube daily, you can see that on time. There are many useful features on YouTube, and also we have dark mode. Let's not forget. So all you have to do is to go to the settings, go to general, and you see dark theme. So it will reduce the white light that is shining directly to your eyes. It's good at night to make you fall asleep, and also it saves the battery. So that is another good feature which you might like. And yeah, that is all I would love to share with you guys, that I would love you guys to use. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you hate it, you know what to do, and if you really love it, share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.